Good morning, everyone, and hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am so glad many of you were able to grab the last chance one because those were like amazing deals. I never have seen a CCTM or climate control or anything on sale in my 3 years. So I was so surprised to see the sale, and I'm glad you guys were able to stock up. And not only that, the sheerberry and maud magenta are like what is it, like my favorite colors, and maud magenta used to be in my profile picture of Insta for so long. So those were for like a steal for $10, and same way with the eyeliners. So whoever have grabbed it, I will be sending the shipping numbers as soon as it gets shipped. Already they started shipping. Hopefully before end of day today or tomorrow, your every order should have shipped, and I will be sending you all the instructions. I'm glad many of the first timers also able to grab it. So I'm looking forward to see your the colors on you. Today is the last day. As you know, November is coming to an end, and this is one of my best months so far in my 3 years. And I had an amazing sale, and it went really well the whole month. And I'm be doing the top contributor giveaway tomorrow, so don't miss that. And again, the another one will start tomorrow. So always be participating in the group, and just like and comment. That way you will be entered from the Facebook side. I'm not going to do so. Anyway, Facebook show me who will be the top contributors for the month. Today's topic, since we are getting into December and January, I want to do the reds. The red is always my favorite shade to wear because it immediately lights the face. Today I'm wearing my favorite candy cane because it is one of the part of the Wonderland collection, came in 2 years back, I believe. So that's the color I'm wearing, and I had 5 of the Lipson's colors to show you guys. Done this red once before, but this time I wanted to do all with the limited editions and the recent ones, so that way I can cover the new shades too. And now we have more metallics, more shimmers and all in red. Previously it used to be all matte shades, and anytime with the red you can always wear it with matte gloss or even with our new pigmented matte gloss, so anything will work. So let's go ahead and see what are the colors I have picked for today. The first one I picked is red ruby. It's such a pretty shade. Actually, it's a metallic, it has like a metallic pearly finish. It's a matte shade. It's a cool tone matte shade, but it has what is it, like a nice pearly finish to that. If you can see the tube itself, you will be able to see there is no shimmers, but it has a nice pearly finish to it. So that's the one. So that's the first shade I picked it. It's like a metallic cranberry red, so it will go amazingly well. All the 5 reds I have picked today will apply so smooth. You won't have any patches. They will go glide in your lips, and if you want to do with one layer too, this color will look perfect on any outfit. So that's the first one. It's a true metallic rich red. So red ruby is the first choice. So let's go ahead for the second one. So the second one is red lantern. You can see this one is little brighter than red ruby. This doesn't have any metallic tint to it. It's like a just matte finish, cool cranberry red. So if you're someone who likes matte red lip colors, these will look amazing on you. So you can see the difference between the red ruby and red lantern. Red lantern has like a little bit of maroonish undertone to it. So it, as I said, even though they all look same in the bottles, when you apply, it will look little different from each other. So red lantern is a metallic red. if you love to do ombre lips, these kind of colors with any maroonish shade like black cherry or mulled wine or even plum, they will look amazing. You can just line your lips with a darker shade and fill it with a bright red, and it will give an amazing ombre effect to your lips. So my second choice will be Red Lantern. So the third choice is the one I'm wearing. It's Candy Cane. It's a frosty red. So when it comes to lip sense, we have three categories. Either it can be a matte shade where it doesn't have any glitters or shimmers. Then we have shimmers where you will be able to see the glitter particles, like for example cocoa, where it is the brown with the glitters on it. So the third one is frost. Frost means, have you seen the frosted glass, the tinted glass kind? So the color will have like a nice sheen to it. That's the one I'm wearing. It's such a pretty shade. It came with I think red glitter gloss and sugar plum. Sugar plum has like a nice glittery shade, so I always like to mix and match, like because sugar plum is such a what is it, like a cool light pink with glitter. So if you want to, you can always top it with a glitter on top, but this is one of the frosty shades, I would say. So Candy Cane is the one I'm wearing, and here you can see it's this one is really bright. This one is like as I mentioned, it's like has a maroonish tint, whereas this is a frosty one, so it doesn't have any glitters to it. With red, I really love to top, because here you have the versatility of going with a matte gloss or going with a glitter gloss. So the same color will look different when it has like a red glitter, or even the new there used to be a berry what is it, like berry lip gloss. So you can even wear that on top of this. This one is the pinkish red, like we call roseberry is a rosy pink. The same way this is pinkish red. The next one is sheer red. This is the darkest of whatever I picked. You can see it's like more of a closer to mulled wine. I won't say it's as maroonish, but you can still see when compared to the other ones, this is little darker shade, like how crimson or any other should be. This is again one of a cool to neutral toned, so anyone can easily wear this. Even if you are not a bright red lip person, a sheer red will look amazing, because it still has that reddish tint to it, but at the same time it's not very bold like hurricane red or blue red, which are like more of fire engine reds. So those will be if you are someone who looks to wear that kind of, for example this kind of fluorescent reds, then you need to grab blue red or the hurricane red one. And this one is a sheer finish. So when it is sheer, that means you can see when you compare to these, you can see this one is little sheer. So that means you have the versatility of going up to 4 layers. So you can see the color itself when compared to others, this one is little sheer actually. The last one in the series is again Big Apple. You can see this is again a metallic cranberry red. Whenever we say metallic, you can see it in the tube itself. I think the red ruby was the metallic. Let me show you next to each other. You can see these two have a pearly finish to it. So even though they are reds, you can see there is a slight color difference, and how the sheen of the color looks. They are not glitters, but it has like a very nice finish to it, like how the frosty shades are. So this one is the cranberry red. The Red Lantern is also said to be a cranberry red again, but if you see here, this is a bold red, whereas this is more of a metallic sheen to it. So here is the last one, Big Apple. So you can see this again has like a frosty metallic finish to it. So here the red ruby and red Big Apple both has like a pearly finish. So if you're someone who likes that kind of a finish, then you can pick one of those. You will never go wrong with any of these reds. I always like to wear a red even the day I don't do much makeup, but still it what is it, like brightens your whole look, and it once you start carrying red, you will never go back, because it's more of a comfort level, I would say. So if you have never tried a red, please do. I love a red lip, and you can just start with one layer and even top it with something like icicle or a pink champagne, or anything that is very, even a Bella. So you can just wear one layer of Bella and do a red. That way you will slowly transition into a 3-layer red sooner and later. So let's do the smudge test. Whenever you wear a red, that is like you are, what to say, like you need to think about it, but here it's not going to smudge. It's not going to move anywhere until you come in the evening, or until it's over, and take it at the end of the day. So that makes the whole thing so easy and easy to maintain. So that's it. Here are my choices. This is red ruby, red lantern, candy cane, sheer red, and big apple. So pick one of these reds and wear it for this Christmassy time and enjoy it. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.